Hello my dear children, I welcome you all to maths class, and today we are going to do few multiplication sums. Okay, so that there will be much better clarity of the concept of multiplication to all of us. So let's start our class. Okay, so first of all, first question is multiply. Okay, multiply. And as all of us know, the symbol for multiplication is cross or x or cross. So this is the symbol for multiplication, cross. Okay, so never forget that. So let's take first sum. Uh, 25 multiplied by 25. Okay, 25 multiplied by 25. First we have to arrange both the numbers. So as we can see, two-digit numbers, both the numbers are two-digit numbers. So we are going to write ones and tens. Okay. So let's see here, ones and tens. Okay. Now this 25 will come first. 25. Then we are going to put the symbol for multiplication, and that is cross. So we are going to put a cross. And then the second number is again 25. So we are going to write it again. Perfect. Now we are going to start solving from one side. Okay, once से हम solve करना शुरू करेंगे. So नीचे कौन सा number है? 5. So this 5 will be multiplied to this 5 first, and then 5 will be multiplied to 2. So पहले हम 5 को 5 से multiply करेंगे. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. First of all, the most important thing to good at multiplication is we just have to be very thorough with the tables from 2 to 10 at least, from 2 to 10. Then today in this session also I am going to send you a worksheet in which we are going to learn the table from 11 to 15. 11 to 15. So please be thorough with the tables. Keep revising the tables. Keep learning the tables. Okay. So 5 5 is 25. Okay. 25. 25 and 5 is in ones. Okay. So 5 will stay here and 2 will go up as a carryover. Carryover here. Okay. Now 5 will be multiplied to 2. 5 2s are 10. But 10 is not the answer. We are going to add the carryover. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Exactly. So the answer here is 12. 125. Now once is solved. Once हमारा solve हो चुका है, so we are going to put a 0. Once हमारा solve हो गया, once के नीचे हमने 0 लगा दिया. Now we are going to come to the 2. 2 is in tens. So 2 will be multiplied to 5. सबसे पहले हम 5 से multiply करेंगे. 2 5s are that is 10. Okay. So 10 में कौन सा ones में है 0. So 0 will remain here. Okay. And 1 will go up as a carry over. Now 2 2s are 4, and 4 plus 1 अभी एक carry over ऊपर आया है. 4 plus 1 that is 5. So 5. Now आपको पता ही है हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को क्या करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट द साइन ऑफ प्लस. ओके, स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग फ्रॉम वंस. 5 plus 0, the answer will be 5 because 0 means nothing. 2 plus 0, the answer will be 2 because 0 means nothing. 1 plus 5 is 6. So the answer is 625. 625. Okay, so now B part. 66 multiplied by 49. So first we are going to arrange both the numbers. We are going to write ones and tens as both the numbers are two-digit numbers. So first we are going to write 66. 66. Now we are going to put the sign of multiplication, and then 49. 49. Okay, so we are going to start solving from ones. So 9 6 are 9 will be multiplied to 6, ones wala 6, and then to the tens wala 6. 9 6 are 54. Okay, so 54. 4 is in ones, so 4 will remain here, and 5 will go up as a carryover. Correct? Now 9 6 are 9 6 are 54, but 54 is not the answer, final answer. We will get after adding 5 to the 54. So 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 5, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 54 plus 5, that is 59. So the answer here is 59. Now once is solved, once में जो 9 था उससे हमने multiply कर लिया है, so once is solved we are going to put 0 under one side. Now 4 6 are. Now 4 will multiply to 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 में 4 is in ones, so 4 will remain here and 2 will go as a carryover above 6. Now 4 6 are again 24. 24 plus 2. कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे, पहले जो हमारा कैरी ओवर आया उसको हमने ऐड कर लिया है, दैट्स इट, उसका काम डन. अब आप 5 को ऐड नहीं करेंगे, अब आप 2 को ऐड करेंगे जो न्यू कैरी ओवर आया है. सो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 2 25, 26, so 26. Correct. Now we are going to add both the numbers, so put a sign of plus. 4 plus 0, 1 से solve करेंगे. 4 plus 0, the answer will be 4 as 0 means nothing. 9 plus 4, okay, so 9 is the greater number. 4 fingers निकालेंगे, 9 के बाद काउंट करेंगे 10 11 12 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 में 3 is in ones, so 3 will remain here and 5 के ऊपर 1 will come as a carry over. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 6, that is 12. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 में 2 is in ones, so 2 will remain here and 1 will go again as a carryover. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3234. 3234. Let's do the other sum. Okay, so C part. $66 32 multiplied by 23. Okay, 32 multiplied by 23. First we are going to arrange the numbers. Both are 2 digits, so we are going to write ones and tens. First number is 32. 32 multiplied by, cross का sign लगाएंगे, multiplication का symbol, and 23. Okay, now we are going to start solving from ones. Ones में नीचे कौन सा digit है? 3. So 3 will be multiplied to 2 and then to 3. So 3 2s are, ध्यान से देखेंगे, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so we are going to write 6. Now 3 3s are, इसको इससे multiply करेंगे. 3 3s are, so 3 3s are is 9. Correct. Now ones वाला हमारा solve हो गया, so we are going to put a 0 under one side. Now come to the tens. Tens में जो कौन सा digit नीचे है? 2. 2 will be multiplied to the ones. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are now tens. 2 3s are 6. Now we are going to put the sign of plus because we are going to add both these numbers. Now start solving from 1. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0, the answer will be 6 as 0 means nothing. 9 plus 4, 9 को माइंड में रख लीजिए, 4 फिंगर्स निकालेंगे और 9 के बाद काउंट करिए. 10 11 12 13. 13 में 3 is in ones, so it will stay here and 1 will go as a carryover because 1 is in tens. 1 plus 6 is 7. So the answer is 736. 736. Let's do few more sums for better clarity. Okay. 46 multiplied by 80. Okay, so first again we are going to arrange the numbers ones and tens as both the numbers are 2-digit numbers. Now 46, cross का sign, multiplication का sign and then 80. Okay, so as you can see 0 is also here. Okay, so now we are going to solve from ones. Okay, ones में नीचे कौन सा digit है? 0. So अभी हमने एक fact पढ़ा था before starting multiplication. Any number multiplied to 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, so 0 multiplied by 6. 0 multiplied by 6. So the answer is 0. Now 0 multiplied by 4, प्रोसीजर बिल्कुल सेम है. 0 multiplied by 4, the answer will be 0. Once हमारा सॉल्व हो गया, 0 को हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, हम we are going to put a 0. Now 8. 8 6 48. Okay, so 48 में 8 is in ones. 8 will remain here and 4 will go as a carry over above 4. Now 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4. 33, 34, 35, 36. 36. So we are going to add both the numbers. Now 0 0 0 plus 0, कुछ भी ऐड नहीं हुआ है, तो the answer will be 0. 0 plus 8, so 0 means nothing, the answer will be 8. Now is there any number above 6? No, so we are going to write it down as it is. Is there any number above 3? No, so we are going to write it down as it is. So the answer is 3680. 3680. Okay. Now next is 38 multiplied by 90. Okay. So first we are going to arrange both the numbers, ones and tens. Now 38 multiplied by 90. Okay. So once हम solve करना शुरू करेंगे, 0 is there. 0 multiplied by 8, any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. The result will be 0. Okay, so 0 multiplied by 8, the answer will be 0. Now again 0 multiplied by 3, the answer will be 0. Once is solved, once हमारा solve हो गया, so we are going to put a 0. Now 9 8s are 9 8s are, so 9 8s is 72. So 2 is in ones, so 2 यहाँ पे रहेगा, and 7 will go as a carry over above 3. Because 9 8s are 72, 2 will remain here, 7 will go as a carry over. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 7. So we are going to add 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 27 plus 7, the answer is 34. We are going to add both the numbers. 0 0, the answer will be 0. 0 plus 2, the answer will be 2, because 0 means nothing. 4 के ऊपर कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, so we are going to write it down as it is. And 3. So the answer is 3420. 3420. Okay. Let's do one more sum. It is very easy. We just need to practice multiplication as much as we can. Okay, so keep practicing multiplication sums, keep doing the revision worksheets, homework worksheets, which I am sharing with you. Okay, so let's do one more sum. (196) multiplied by 50. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. So we are going to arrange both the numbers. अब यहाँ पे हमने देख लिया 3-digit number है. So we are going to arrange the numbers by writing the format ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so first we are going to write ones, tens and hundreds because this is a 3-digit number, right? So we are going to write 196 multiplied by 50. So अगर आप ऐसे लिखेंगे 50, this is wrong. ओके, बिकॉज आप 100 की पोजीशन में 5 को लिख रहे हैं, 5 100 की पोजीशन में नहीं है, 5 टेंस की पोजीशन में. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 50 लाइक दिस. सो अरेंजमेंट नंबर्स का ध्यान से करना. ओके, अगेन 0 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड टू वंस, देन टेंस एंड देन हंड्रेड्स. सो 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6, द आंसर विल बी 0. 0 multiplied by 9, the answer will be 0. 0 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 0. Once is solved, so we are going to put a 0. Now 5 6 are 30. Okay, so 30 में 0 is in ones, so we are going to write it down as it is. 0 here and 3 will go above 9 as a carryover. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3. 46, 47, 48. Okay, so 48. 48 में 8 is in ones, so 8 will remain here and 4 will go above 1 as a carryover. Okay, now 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so answer is, we are going to add both the numbers. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, and no number above 1, above 9. So we are going to write it down as it is. The answer is 9,800. 9,800. Okay, so the concept of multiplication is quite easy if you are going to practice it, and if you are thorough with the tables. You just have to learn the tables, keep revising the tables from 2 to 10, and in the worksheet that I am going to share with you after the live session, after this video, we are going to learn the tables from 11 to 15. Okay, so keep revising all the multiplication sums. I am going to share with you a worksheet in which there are multiplication sums as well as the tables written from 11 to 15. So learn those tables from 11 to 15. Okay, I am going to ask those tables in the live session. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Take care and study well. Bye-bye.